Hey YouTube, it's me, Julian. You're looking at the Cheetah, the Hot Wheels Original 16 replica from back in the day, from 1968 when they started. Though, of course, it was a replica. I bought this off the Hot Wheels Collector website, HWC. Exclusive, basically. This is the packaging it came in. So also replica, as you can see on the bottom there, replica packaging. There's the back of the card if you want to check that out. Check out my blog for photos. If you like that might be a bit better. And also here's the packaging for the packaging. There's the the number if you're into that. But anyways, check out the packaging on my blog. Try to put the link in the description. If I forgot, let me know. There are better photos on there. Anyways, we can check out the little button that it comes with first. It's like I guess it's made out of aluminum. So originally this was called a Python, but I guess it was supposed to be called the Cheetah back in the day. So they renamed it to Cheetah. Alright, so of course the thing about this thing is that it's metal on metal with the redline wheels, the original ones, basically. It comes with suspension, so it'll squish down pretty nicely. Now this one doesn't have an open hood because the hood, the engine's blown out. But besides that, I guess I don't know if this is a fantasy car, if it's based on a real wacky car. I know there's a few wacky cars out there. But either way, there's no hood that's openable on this. It does have that black matte roof there. Trying to be like a convertible with the cover on it, I guess. What do you call it? The roof. I'm guessing that's what it's supposed to be. But anyways, there's the rear. No taillights back there. Red interior. Pretty neat asymmetrical design. And there's also the base, which is, I guess, chrome plated. Very shiny, nonetheless. You can see my reflection there, my big fat forehead behind the camera. It's pretty cool. I did review the regular the actual the 1968 version. It's pretty beaten up, but I'll try to put the link in the description below as well. Check that one out. Anyways, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and keep collecting.